Drinkable TV's featured location for the Panama cocktail is Panama. Panama is the only country in the world in which you can see the sun rise in the Pacific Ocean and set on the Atlantic Ocean in the same spot. Panama is for those who are active. There's hiking, great beaches for surfing and fishing. For those who like to take it slow, there's always Sloth Island, where one can have an up-close look at these slow tree dwellers. In addition to its natural beauty, one of Panama's greatest features is man-made. In 1903, Panama negotiated an agreement with the United States to allow for the construction of the Panama Canal. The canal was completed in 1914. It allows millions of ships to shorten their connection from the Atlantic to the Pacific Ocean. In 2007, the canal began an expansion program to allow for the waterway to double in size.